Hey, what's going on, guys? The crypto market is doing well today because Bitcoin is staying above, for the time being, above $23,400 because the DXY is going down, and we have to talk about what's happening next here in the market and the next coming following days. So let's jump directly into it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also activate the bell so that you will always be notified when I put out one of these videos. So here on the 4-hourly chart, we can now observe something after we have broken out of this falling wedge here, that the Bitcoin price is forming a potential bull flag here. Here's the potential bull flag. So, and if that bull flag would break out, it would catapult Bitcoin $1,000 higher than where we are to the dollar right now, which is crazy. So when you break this down into a 1-hourly chart, let me see, where do I have a 1-hourly chart open here? Switch here into a 1-hourly chart. You can see here maybe the same what I'm seeing right now. So here now I will get this a little bit more accurate because we have technically broken out of that, or are about to breaking out of that. So now, if you look closely, you see that we have here also a W pattern. So, and if we take it here from the top only to the bottom of the candles and put it to the potential breakout, also this will bring us at least $400 higher than where we are right now. So, and here, that could be a really good trading opportunity for you guys. So here, there is where we need to enter our target, get it more accurate. So there you see $23,793-ish would be the target for this W pattern if it would break out here to the upside once you break the neckline at $23,500. I will be honest, guys, I'm already in a long position since 23,450, so I'm right now in a small loss here. I trade with 30x on that position. I have it on OKX open right now, so I unfortunately don't have here my OKX account open right now, but that's where I'm trading this. And I'm betting on that we will go higher here in the next coming hours and also next coming days, because the overall market is still in a bullish structure. So especially when we look here on the EMA ribbons, you can see that the candles are working its way back into the ribbon right now, and the ribbon is about also to flip here in the near future again. So then here this whole downwards flipping and flipping back into a downtrend was more or less a fake out. That was a bear trap in my opinion. Once we are flipping here again in the near future, especially when prices are climbing higher again. So, but for that, of course, the ribbon has first to flip, but I see definitely some signs in the market right now that this might be here happening in the near future. So also when we look at the overall market structure, so we had here the low or a low, that's now our range low. Then we had here a higher low, and if we would close somewhere here in that area where we are right now, that is also another higher low. And also here we are starting from this section onwards, also creating again higher highs. So here higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. So, and that is in the short term definitely a bullish structure for Bitcoin overall that I am closely watching. So when we move then on to the daily chart, sorry, let me go here. Here's the 1-hourly chart that I was looking for. So let me move on first to the monthly chart. So today is also really important day because we have the monthly close and 10 hours. So, and here's something that I wanted to point out for you guys, because it has never failed in Bitcoin history. So once the stochastic RSI is flipping bullish on the monthly chart, it never happened in the past that we got a fake out. So of course there's always a first time. It can still happen, but for now, it doesn't look like that's going to happen. So what is the best outcome that we can expect from today's monthly close? The best outcome would be that we get a nice push to the upside so that we don't have an indecision candle. That's what we have right now here. So, and we move a little bit higher to have a proper candle and close the candle at that specific level. And let's say we close at, I don't want to move to like $25,000 today, but let's say we move to 23,900. That would be a good price. So 23,900, then we would not have a proper indecision candle anymore with that doji, and then we can with a high certainty be sure that March will be a super bullish month for crypto overall, especially when you look here in the past. So here again, same scenario where we came up here on a stochastic RSI. What happened? So we got here then a massive pump the next month to the upside once we broke this resistance here, and we are sitting exactly at that level right now. So we are slightly above it, but once we broke above that resistance level here, and that is the resistance that we have here from all these candles here from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the last 7 months, then we started a new uptrend. So, and the same down here again. So we broke the resistance, and then we had our bull run in 2016, 2017. And then here, that was basically the bear market in 2018. And then we got our run in 2020. On 2019 and 2020, and here also in the COVID dump we can also see it. Oops, sorry guys. So here after the COVID dump, once we broke here above that level, we got a huge move to the upside, and then we basically ran into the bull run that we had 2 years ago. So here, crucial level to watch today. Especially with the stochastic coming up, that has never failed in the past so far. If we can close here at the level that we are at right now, that would be also fine, but then we might see 2-3 months of sideways action where we go something like this, and then we see finally the breakthrough. But otherwise, if we can close this candle highly bullish today, then everything is looking awesome for an amazing month for Bitcoin and altcoins overall in the market. So when I go back then here, let me see here. So also I might have been yesterday just a little bit too early with calling this cup and handle pattern. So because potentially here, this is now the proper handle that we see, and we just have to wait for a proper breakout. So we are trying right now to break out, but it did not happen yet. So, and if we measure then here our target, so then we get a target of, again, $24,200. So you see there is a lot of things lining up into that direction that we should go there. We have overall still a bullish structure. Also, if I go here like this, so you see there is a nice trend line. So we have not fallen off that trend line for now. And as long as we stay above that trend line, I don't believe that we will see here a major continuation of that correction for now. If we lose that trend line, then definitely we will go to the range all the way down here to the golden ratio of 21,700, 21,840, or even all the way down here and dip into the liquidity, and then it gets sent to the upside. So that is basically the scenarios that we are looking at right now. So, but I will definitely flip insanely bullish today if we break above $23,500 and can close a 4-hourly candle above that and see another candle continuing to rally to the upside. I think there was on the daily chart something else that I wanted to point out for you guys. I just want to have a quick look again, because I think I missed here something. Oh, sorry guys. 12-hourly chart. There it was. It was on the 12-hourly chart. Okay, so I cannot have a 12-hourly chart with this TradingView account. So I'm gonna do it on a 4-hourly chart, which is also fine. So here on the 4-hourly chart, so you can see here we are also forming a symmetrical triangle. So here on the 4-hourly chart, it doesn't look so good now, but if you look on a 12-hourly chart, you will definitely spot it. So, and also if we treat this as a symmetrical triangle, then we get here an insane price target of $27,620, but of course only if we break out. And to see a breakout here, we first have to break this downwards trend line that we have here, which we got for now rejected on. But once we are breaking that, we can also definitely flip a little bit more bullish here in the immediate short term. And guys, don't forget, if you want to take these trades with me together, do it on BYBIT. There you still get $30,000 absolutely for free, and Bitget $20,000 also absolutely for free, but only with these links in the pinned comment below or in the description below. Don't forget this, guys. And yeah, I hope you have an amazing day. Enjoy the rest of the day, and make sure that you smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.